Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Robots.txt in Google Search Console. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Google Search Console account. Select the property for which you want to configure the Robots.txt file. In the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Scroll down to the crawling section. Click on Robots.txt tester. You will see an interface where you can enter your URLs. In the provided text box, input the URL you want to test. Click on the Submit button to check if the URL is allowed or disallowed. Review the results to see how Googlebot will behave with this URL. Next, modify your Robots.txt file as needed based on your testing results. Ensure you correctly use commands such as useragent, disallow, and allow. After making necessary changes, copy your update. Return to your website's root directory using your preferred file manager or FTP client. Upload the updated Robots.txt file to the root of your domain. Refresh your Google Search Console and navigate back to the Robots.txt tester. Retest your updated file to ensure all. Monitor your site's indexing status and the coverage report over the coming days. Make further adjustments if needed based on indexing outcomes. With proper configuration, ensure your site is optimized for search engine crawling. Regularly review your Robots.txt file to accommodate any changes to your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.